Welcome to Kit Kat Kids K3.
A is for apple, A, apple, crunchy and sweet, an apple a day. B is for butterfly, B, butterfly, fluttering by, a butterfly so bright. C is for cow, cow, mooing in the field, a cow with spots. D is for diamond, D, diamond, sparkling and shiny, a diamond's delight. E is for elephant, A, elephant, big and gray, an elephant sways. F is for fish, fish, swimming in the sea, a fish goes swish. G is for giraffe, giraffe, tall and spotted, a giraffe stands tall. H is for hat, hat, wear it on your head, a hat so neat. I is for igloo, igloo, cold and round, an igloo is found. J is for jelly, jelly, wobbly and sweet, jelly to eat. K is for kite, kite, flying high, a kite in the sky. O is for lollipop, lollipop, colorful and sweet, a lollipop treat. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees, a monkey plays. N is for nest, nest, home for birds, a nest to rest. O is for octopus, octopus, 8 long arms, an octopus swims. P is for penguin, penguin, waddling on ice, a penguin slides. Q is for queen, queen, royal and grand, a queen commands. R is for rainbow, rainbow, colors in the sky, a rainbow shines. S is for sun, sun, bright and warm, the sun brings fun. T is for train, train, choo-choo goes the train, down the track. U is for umbrella, umbrella, keeps you dry, an umbrella so high. V is for violin, umbrella, keeps you dry, an umbrella so high. V is for violin, violin, play a tune, a violin song. W is for whale, big and blue, a whale in the sea. X is for xylophone, xylophone, play a tune, xylophone's fun. Y is for yacht, yacht, sailing away, a yacht on the bay. Z is for zebra, zebra, striped and bold, a zebra stands tall.
A is for apple, so juicy and red. B is for baby, asleep in their bed. C is for candy, a sweet little treat. D is for dog with paws and 4 feet. E is for elephant, so big and so gray. F is for frog that leaps all day. G is for giraffe with a long, long neck. H is for horse that runs with a peck. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a powerful cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with birds and some bees. O is for octopus with 8 arms to wiggle. P is for puppy that makes you giggle. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow, bright colors spread. S is for sunshine that lights up the day. T is for turtle, slow on its way. U is for umbrella, for when it rains. V is for volcano with fiery veins. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, played with glee. Y is for yak with a furry coat. Z is for zebra with stripes of nose. is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a powerful cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with birds and some bees. O is for octopus with 8 arms to wiggle. P is for puppy that makes you giggle. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow, bright color spread. S is for sunshine that lights up the day. T is for turtle, slow on its way. Q's for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow, bright color spread. S is for sunshine that lights up the day. T is for turtle, slow on its way. U is for umbrella, for when it rains. V is for volcano with fiery flames. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, played with glee. X is for xylophone, played with glee. Y is for yak with a furry coat. Z is for zebra with stripes of nose.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce high overhead. C is for cat, who purrs when she's glad. D is for dog, a loyal comrade. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, with a neck so long. H is for horse, strong and strong. I is for igloo, cozy and round. J is for jelly, sweet and profound. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar and cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, swaying in the breeze. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, ruling with grace. R is for rabbit, quick in the race. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger with stripes of delight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin with melodies that fly. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone with notes of glee. Y is for yak with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra with stripes that float. I is for igloo, cozy and round. J is for jelly, sweet and profound. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar and crown. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar and cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, swaying in the breeze. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, ruling with grace. R is for rabbit, quick in the race. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger with stripes of delight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin with melodies that fly. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone with notes of glee. Y is for yak with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra with stripes that flow.